Tuesday, the 22nd of May, 2023, and we meet again. So what tour are we doing today?
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Jan from Porto, Ghana, and we'll be doing the Boti Falls today. So we'll do a hike to the Umbrella Rock and back. Then we'll do the Boti Falls and head back to Accra. So we are moving from the Greater Accra region to the eastern region of Ghana. So it's going to be about a 1 hour 30 minutes drive or 1 hour 40 minutes drive approximately.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it. So more steps again, more exercise.
Yeah, more exercise, more hiking.
After yesterday, I did a lot of hiking yesterday as well, so I'm conditioned for it.
Then you should psych yourself for today as well.
Okay, thanks very much.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
And could you just advise us what we're going to be doing this morning?
Hi, my name is Edmond, and you're welcome to Boti Falls.
Thank you.
Actually, we are doing the hiking. There is the Umbrella Rock and the three-headed palm tree.
Okay.
And after that, we'll come back here and see the waterfalls.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.
And before we descend to the falls, we will descend 250 steps.
Okay.
The male and the female waterfalls. Thank you.
Right, thank you very much.
I discovered a rock look like an old lady.
An old lady? Please show me that one.
Yeah. And another one too look like a tree.
It's very spoiled.
A rock.
That's amazing.
So this is the Africa rock, you said?
Rock.
Okay.
And the small one is the Madagascar. And it's natural found here. And we praise the small one beside represent Madagascar.
Okay.
53 years ago.
Okay.
Now you need some like really small ones for Seychelles.
Yeah. This is our first rock. This is the male and the female sex organ rock. This is the female and this is the male.
Okay.
And this rock was found by Nene Pete. He was a hunter in the old days, and we found this about 75 years ago.
Wow.
Was it moved or has it always been here?
Yeah, it moved from the mountain area about 5 years ago.
Before, when it was up there, was there a hike up there? Or it was like, did people hike up to
People hike
Wow.
up there. And because at times, the reason why we brought it closer to the road is that when they went to the hiking and they come back, they don't want to go
all the way
up there again. That is why.
Make it more easy.
Yeah. But the rest are beside the road.
Okay.
Right.
This is the prayer hand rock.
Oh, yes.
It looked like a palm.
Okay.
Put like this.
Yeah.
Prayer.
It's like the emoji.
And it's found by the same hunter. Nene Tete Nwa. Nene Tete Nwa.
Oh my god, I thought I was dead. I've never seen this funky. Oh my god, I was not making a video.
It's coming towards you. Footprints. You can see the toes and the formation of the foot. What vegetation do you have grown along here in this forest?
Vegetation.
Vegetation, what do you have grown along here?
trees.
Any specific trees or fruit trees?
Yeah, like mango,
Okay.
orange,
Corn?
cocoa, but the grass.
Okay.
Some I don't know the grass.
Oh, this grass. Okay.
We normally call this one achiampo.
Chiampo.
And
Okay.
this one, if you hurt, we use like you do it like this
Yeah.
and put it where the sore is.
Put it. Oh, it's
Yeah,
sore on
like
your skin. Yeah.
If the blood is bleeding,
Oh,
yeah, you put it on it, then the blood will stop.
it prevents the blood from stopping. Okay,
And
that's good.
normally you put a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Then
Oh, that will sting. Yeah.
Yes, if it does
Yeah.
the job.
No pain, no gain.
Literally.
Continuing along this trek, some parts are stony. Just got to be careful with where you walk. So this is Asiafor River. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but absolutely beautiful. Okay. What's the name of this cave?
Asian cave,
Okay.
and it is found by PIII.
How many years?
122 years ago.
123 years. Wow. Ahead. You said that you used to live here?
The PIII and his family, they used to live here.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, in the early days. And the host, they used to keep their diamond, gold, their money, anything. They hide it inside. That is their storage place.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And we have another hole there. That is a talking sound cave. They used to communicate with others far away.
Okay.
And at the same time, they use it as a ground. If everyone had its sound, it's great. And then, these are the holes. If everyone has its sound.
They used to hide things in there, yeah? Or just a sound?
Sound.
Okay.
They use it as a ground.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is fascinating. Right. Really good. So I'm going over this little footbridge. Now here comes to the hard part. I see you at the other end. Oh my God, God knows how I'm going to climb up at this, but here we go. Climb up all this way. So here's for the next part. Not so bad. Welcome to Umbrella Rock in Boti. It took over an hour to trek to this point, but it was well worth it. Check out the spectacular rock formation. We're doing another short hike to the palm tree, which is about a 4-minute walk, I understand. tell me about this palm tree, please?
This is a three-headed palm tree found by PIII. About 132 years ago, they found this palm nut tree. And in the other days, they used to harvest this palm nut, but now they stop because they don't want the tree to die early. That's
Okay.
why they leave it, and the palm nut rots on the tree and give the tree strength. And this palm nut tree doesn't bear fruit at the same time. It only bear fruit in a year, only one head. So as if the first one bear fruit in this year or next year before the middle one, and another year they're the last one. So in every year it rotates.
One of them bears, yeah.
And we have a fertility rock beside the palm nut tree. This fertility rock, normally people used to sit on it and they give twins,
Twins.
triplets, and then single. And some too, they need a knowledge. They used to put money on it and sit and pray. Yeah, anything you want, you put money on it, then you pray in your mind. Whether you touch it or you sit on it.
Okay.
Both to
This one as well.
yeah, this one.
So I'm just going to say goodbye to our tour guide because we're going to take a motorcycle back. So thank you very much for taking us around. Took us maybe you a little bit longer for us, but thanks again. Okay. Yeah, you'll probably get there before us. Okay, thank you. Bye. So these are the motorcycles we're going to travel back down to the start of the hike. It's going to take approximately 15 minutes and then we're going to look on the waterfalls afterwards. So here we go. We're on the motorcycle. So these are the steps to go down to the waterfalls. There's about 250 steps, I believe, and we've probably done about 30 or 40 already. What do they use these leaves for?
They use it as a diabo, like they will put the food inside and they will be eating.
Okay.
And they normally they wrap it like this.
All right.
They normally put one tea or rice and beans.
Yeah.
And like any food at all, they put it inside and they do it like that.
That's
So if
neat.
you want to eat, then you open this side and this side and open it
And
like
it's
this.
still-
Then you start eating.
That's so cool.
Very nice.
I had some rice. I brought some rice on Saturday, and they wrapped it in
Like
a form
that?
of leaf.
Yeah,
Yeah. It was laid out in a box, and the rice was on top of it.
Yeah.
And what's the name of that particular
This-
plant?
This is called one tea leaf.
Okay. Tree.
This baobab tree.
And how many years is this tree?
98 years.
98. Wow, and still going strong.
Yes.
As we continue our way down to the waterfalls. Boti Waterfalls. Welcome to Boti Waterfalls. To the right hand side is the Sinanal Waterfall, and to the left hand side is the Nile Waterfall. As I climb the last remaining steps from the Boti Waterfalls, this now concludes our tour for today. This has been a wonderful and truly unique experience, viewing the spectacular formation of the umbrella rock, seeing the three-headed palm tree, and looking at the beautiful Boti Waterfalls. And of course the cave, and not forgetting that scorpion. So if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe.